Responsive web design is a web design approach aimed at crafting sites to provide an optimal viewing experience across a wide range of devices, whether they be mobile phones, tablets, or desktop computers. To explain responsive design, I've got two websites here as examples. I've got a responsive website and I've got a static website. Now, with my static website, no matter what device I visit this website from, the website's going to look exactly the same. So if I visit this website from a mobile, it's just going to be a much smaller version of my website, and it's going to be very hard to navigate. If I visit this website from a tablet, again, it's going to be a much smaller version of my website and very hard to navigate. From a desktop computer, which this website's been designed specifically for, it will be fine. But for mobile and tablet users, it's going to be hard to navigate. I may potentially not be able to navigate it due to limitations brought about by touch devices, and it may take a lot longer to load certain resources. So let's have a look at how this website would look on a tablet or mobile device. So to represent this, I'm going to minimize the size of my browser. So if I minimize the size of my browser here to that of a tablet size, you'll note that the website looks exactly the same, but parts of the website are cut off. And on a tablet device itself, it would be much smaller. If I go down now to a mobile size, you'll note that the website still hasn't changed. Okay. In fact, on a mobile device, it would just be very, very small. Now let's compare this to a responsive website. So I've got a responsive website here, and this is what it looks like in my desktop view. Okay, so a responsive website will look good or work well in mobile, tablet, and desktop. Okay, so this is my desktop view. Now let's go down to a tablet size. Okay, so now I'm in a tablet size. Now in a tablet size, you'll note that a couple of things have changed. The number of thumbnails per row has got smaller and the images have got larger, so it's easier to view on a tablet. Okay, some menus have been collapsed for easy navigation. Okay, and all my menus are touch friendly. Now let's go down one size smaller, down to a mobile size. Now you'll note that my top navigation menu again has changed completely. So now I've got icons because there's not a lot of space for words. You'll notice that my menus are all touch friendly again. Okay, and you'll notice again my filters are touch friendly. You'll also notice now that I've only got one thumbnail per row and the images are much larger, so it's much easier to see the product images from my mobile device. Again, add to cart and other functions are also made easy and touch friendly. So if I expand that browser again, you'll notice how the website is changing automatically based on the size of the browser. Okay, whereas opposed to my static site, if I make it smaller, okay, the website does not adjust. Okay, so that's the main difference between a responsive website and a static website. Responsive websites are critically important in this day and age where the majority of people are using smartphones and using tablets, and iPads, etc. To browse e-commerce websites.